if you could just state your name and what you do at Ramapo.
Yin Shu, I teach biology.
Okay. So, why are bees important to you and your family?
Okay, as I'm a plant biologist, so I always think about bees for agriculture and plants. They're important pollinators. They help on, improving the yields of our major crops. And it's also a very natural element of the whole ecosystem. So I think keeping the bees, the healthy bees, would be very important for maintaining the whole community and for the whole the diets and the whole agriculture society.
What are some things that we can do to help the bees thrive and continue to be a part of the planet?
I think the beekeeping skills should be learned by more people. It's, to me, even I'm not quite clear on the whole system to keep the bees, in the health life cycle. So I guess the education part of that could be done more. And then maybe by location, in every neighborhood or community, there could be some system running. And I know there are lots of disease on the bees, so maybe something to help them fighting off the disease could be done.
So if they do go extinct and they, die off, what would that mean for our planet?
I would say immediately those plant species that depend on the bees for pollinations would suffer. For example, the vanilla plants. It's an orchid flower that's very small, and the natural pollinator was a specific type of bee. So, if that species is gone, then we are basically left with only the artificial means. So, people have to really get together to work out a alternative way to keep the vanilla plants. And that's just one example. If the pollinators are gone, the species would definitely suffer, and then we don't have that plant. Eventually that would go extinction again.